Right, we're here today in Weymouth at the Pavilion, and I have a rare Stevosaurus with me. Hello, Steve. Rah. So you're taking part today in this charity race, this charity 5K. Have you done anything like this before?
No, the running bit, yeah, but not the dinosaur, but looking forward to it. There's quite a herd congregating on the beach there, so yeah, it'll be an experience.
I think it will certainly be an experience. Do you think there's much chance that you're going to catch up with the lead dinosaur?
I'll give it my best, and it's all for a great cause.
It certainly is. Well, we'll leave you to get to the start line, and we'll catch up with you at the finish. Good luck. Oh. We'll leave Steve to get to the start line, and then we'll get the drone up in the air and hopefully catch some action from the sky. Today's first ever Chase the Dinosaur 5K race event is organised and run by We Are Weymouth to raise money for the Will Mackaness Trust. This trust was set up in 2008 to give water sports opportunities to the youngsters of Weymouth and Portland. Let's take a look at some of the great costumes of the day.
Great to see you all, so many dinosaurs for the first event of this type. This is fantastic. When you start breeding new dinosaurs, goodness knows how many there'll be next year. Lovely to see you. Have a wonderful race, and thank you all very much for coming.
So after the warm-up, it was time for the race, and what better way to start than with a 10-second countdown.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, chase the dinosaur! Dan, who's in first place? Well done, Dan. Excellent. Good work. So, Dan, you've got your medal. That's great. The bad news is, probably not though, you're back next year. You are the dinosaur, the inaugural dinosaur to chase next year. So like we do Chase the Pudding, so we have the winner of that every year is the pudding for the following year. You will be the dinosaur next year that everybody's got to go and chase. You'll be set out a couple of minutes before everybody else. Is that a deal? See you back next year? Excellent.
Well done to all that took part. For more videos on our local area and events, hit the subscribe button, and if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up.